My name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani. Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the official guide to the revised GRE, the second edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problems that we are about to solve are the ones that you will find on page number 220. Please turn to it. Page 220. Problem number 9 is what we are about to solve. Page 220, and today is our lesson number 302. These percentage problems that we are about to do are the exact same percentage problem that appeared in the first edition of the revised GRE. We have solved every single problem from this book. We're just redoing them. If you're interested in watching the original solution at a much slower pace, you can go and watch the original solution to these problems. You're going to find these problems, percentage problems, on day number 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Right now we're going to do the same problem, but I'm not going to explain every little nitty-gritty detail, every little step. Do you understand? If you need that kind of help, as I said, go and watch the original solution. Problem number 9, part A. It says 40% of 15 is what? 40% of 15 is what? Well, we know 10% of 15 is simply you take your 15 and you move the decimal place to over here, it becomes 1.5. 10% of anything is just 1/10 of the quantity, and 1/10 of 15 is 1.5. If 10% of 15 is 1.5, then times 4 will give us the 40%, which is right here. 1.5 times 4, double of 1.5 is 3, and double of 3 is 6. So it's 6. 40% of 15 is 6. Part B says 150% of 48 is what? Well, we know that 50% of 48 is going to be half of 48, which is 24. Therefore 150% is going to be 48, which is the 100%, and 24, which is the 50%. This is the 100%, this is the 50%, therefore it is 72. Part C. That's it, we are done with this one. Part C. Part C says 0.6% of 800 is how much? Here we are solving the problem in a little bit of a non-academic way. As I said, if you're interested in watching the solution in an academic way, in a more traditional way, then day 84 through 88 is what you need to watch. 0.6 of 800 is what we are asked here. What is 1% of 800? Do you know what is 1% of 800? 1% of 800, of course, is 8. We just dropped the 2 zeros. Therefore 6% of 800 is going to be 8 times 6, or 48. And if 6% is 48, then 0.6% of 800 is just going to be, you just stick a decimal. Instead of 48, it's going to be 4.8. That's it. That's all. Part D. D says 15 is 30% of what? 15 is 30% of what? 15 is means equals, percent means over 100, of means times, or multiply, and whenever we see the word what, that is our unknown quantity, and traditionally one represents the unknown quantity with the letter x. It's just a convention, it's just a tradition. If you want to represent the unknown quantity by y, go ahead and go wild. Do you understand? So here 15 is means equals. Is means equals 30%. means over 100. That's what word percent means. Percent literally means per 100. 30% means 30 over 100. Of means times. And what is our unknown? That's all. We solve for x, multiply both sides by 100. As I said, I'm not going to do every single step. I keep telling that, and I keep doing it. So it's going to be 15 times 100. I'm not going to show all the steps. Divided by 30. Divide top and bottom by 10. The zeros drop out. Divide top and bottom by 5, or rather 3, and 15 becomes 5. 5 times 10 is 50. The question was 15 is 30% of what? And we just found out that 15 is 30% of 50. What we're claiming here is this. What we're claiming here is that we're claiming that 15 is 30% of, we just found this is the what part. So here is what we're claiming. Let's see if it makes any sense. We're claiming that 15 is 30% of 50, which makes sense because 10% of 50 is 5, therefore 30% is going to be 3 times as much, which is 15. Right here. 15 is 30%. 15 is 30% of 50 because 10% of 50 is 5, therefore 30% is going to be 15. Let's move on then. Part E, the very last one. Part E, it says 11 is what percent? 11 is what percent of 55? There are two ways we can go about it. One way is to simply realize that 11 is a fifth of 55. A fifth of 55. A fifth of anything is just 20%. There you go. So there is your answer. 11 is, question was 11 is what percent of 55? But we just realized that 11 is simply a fifth of 55. Therefore 11 is going to be, in place of what, we substitute 20%. Not 20%, but 20. The unknown part is 20. So now the statement reads, 11 is 20% of 55. 11, of course, is 20% of 55 because a fifth of 55 is 11. The way we could have done is to set it up as an equation, as we have been doing here. And the equation will go like this. 11 is means equals, what is our unknown? What is our unknown? Percent means over 100. Of means times, and then 55. And then solve for x. So x equals to 11 times 100. 11 times 100 over 55. Divide top and bottom by 11. 11 drops out and 55 will become 5. And then divide top and bottom by 5. And 100 has 25. So there we go, we found the answer of 20. 11 is, our what part is 20. 11 is 20% of 55. That was the end of that problem. I will see you tomorrow, where we'll do problem number. Actually, tomorrow we'll do something else. When tomorrow comes, you'll find out. We're going to do some bonus problems, bonus percentage problems tomorrow, okay? The problems that we did on day number 87 and 88, those were the bonus percentage problem. Those are the ones we're going to redo tomorrow, okay? Bye now.